Ever stood your ground when everyone else caved? Let's talk about a trio who did just that. Imagine being taken from your homeland, stripped of your identity, and thrust into a foreign court where you're expected to conform. That was the reality for three young men, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, who found themselves in Babylon. They could have easily blended in, but they didn't forget who they were. When challenged to eat food that violated their beliefs, they stood firm, choosing faith over fear. Their unwavering conviction didn't go unnoticed. God rewarded their courage with wisdom and favor, showing that true strength comes from staying true to your beliefs, no matter the stakes. What's a moment when you chose conviction over conformity? Share your story below.